Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are learning D and E minor scale. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, then please click on this I button. So let's start music theory. So in today's topic, we are going to learn about other minor keys, D and E minors. Minor keys, you can say minor scale also, is the same thing, okay? So what written here is that on page 23 we have learned about the D minor is a relative of F major and the E minor is a relative of G major, and the scale formula is same for the A minor and D minor and E minor. That is obvious. So let's move forward. We'll straight away go to the exercises. Nothing important is over here. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise straight away. So here we have to write the key signature and tonic triad for each of the following keys. So we have to write the key signature and we have to mention the scale, tonic triad. So you can see the first example. Now let's move forward. We have given E minor. So we know that E minor is a relative of G major and they both share the same key signature, that is F sharp, right? So this is bass clef. Let's find out where is the F. So green burst dries fast, F. So let's make that sharp first. Now make the key tonic triad, so E. So let's find E here. This is G. Let's find the spaces A, C, E. So let's make it here 1, 3 and 5. Here we got our key tonic triad. Okay, now next is A minor. A minor is relative of C major. They both don't share any key signature, so there is no key signature for them. So let's make the tonic triad. So we start from second space, A, C and E. Okay, now next is E minor. So E minor shares with G major, so that is F sharp. So we make F sharp and tonic triad E, 1, 3 and 5. Okay, next is A minor, again relative of C major. They don't have any key signature, so A, C and E. Yes, the last one is D minor. D minor is relative of F major. They share key signature, that is B flat. So green bus, B flat. Now D minor, we start from D there, and here we finish our tonic triad. Okay, now let's move further. Now here we have to write these 1 octave minor scales in minims going up. The key signature have been written in for you, but you will sometimes need to add accidental. So we have to write 1 octave minor scale going up in minims, and they have given us the key signatures, but sometimes we may have to add the accidentals. Okay, so let's write down. We have to make E natural minor scale. We have given the key signature, so let's start with E. This is treble clef. We start with E here, E, F, G, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now let's make the minim up, we can go down. Okay, and this is E natural, so we don't have to do anything more with that. Okay, next is A harmonic minor scale. So the C major and A minor has no key signature, so we'll only straight away make the scale. So we have to make the A harmonic. So let's start with the A. So this is F A. We start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This should be, yeah. Now let's start. Let's go down. Okay, now here we have to make it a harmonic minor scale. So we know in natural scale we don't have to do anything. simple. But in harmonic, just we have to raise the 7th degree with a semitone. So this will make it sharp. Okay, and this becomes a harmonic minor scale. Okay, now next we have D harmonic minor scale. So D harmonic minor scale, we have given the key signature. Now let's make the scale first. So we start with D. This is bass clef. So every green. So let's start from here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's make it slightly bigger, this one. So now we have to start down, down, okay. Now we have to make it D harmonic minor scale, so we have to raise the 7th note. This is our 7th note, so we have to raise it from flat, so sorry, from natural to sharp. Okay, that becomes our D harmonic minor scale. Now the last one we have is E harmonic minor scale, so, and they have given the key signature, that is F sharp. So let's make the scale first. E harmonic bass clef. So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's make okay. And now to make it from natural to harmonic minor, we need to just raise the 7th degree, and 7th degree is this one, and just have to put a sharp accidental in front of that. Okay, so now this turns as a E harmonic minor scale. Now let's move to the next page. Now in the second page, we have to write these 1 octave minor scales in semi-braves going down. Use key signatures. Now we have to use a key signature on our own, and we have to make 1 octave minor scale with semi-braves going down. Okay, so let's start. You can see the example here. Now we'll start with a D harmonic minor scale. So let's make the key signature first. For D harmonic minor scale, that would be your B flat, and this is our treble clef, so B will be here. So this is our key signature. Now we have to make semi-brave going down, remember that, not going up. So let's find the D. Every green burst, right? So we start from here. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we know to make it harmonic minor scale, we just need to raise the 7th degree from natural to sharp. Okay, and remember we are going counting like this when you count the degrees, not like that. Okay, now next is E natural minor scale. Now for E natural, we need to know that the key signature is F sharp. So this is treble clef, this is F, so F sharp is a key signature. Now next is, let's start from E, and we start from E treble clef, E note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and this is a natural key minor scale. Okay, now next we have is D natural minor scale. Now D natural, we need to first put the key signature, that is B flat, and this is bass clef, so green bus. So we put here B flat. Now D, start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and this becomes a natural scale. Okay, next is A harmonic minor scale. So A harmonic minor scale doesn't have any key signature. We straight away start from A. This is treble clef, sorry, this is yes, treble clef, and we start from A here. This is F, G, and A. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now this is a harmonic minor scale, so that means we need to raise its 7th degree by a semitone. So let's raise the 7th. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th degree, and we have to raise it by semitone. That makes a sharp. Okay, remember, I'm still telling you, remember the degree you count from here, okay, not from here. If you make from here, this will become the 7th note, and if you raise this one, then it will be wrong. Okay, so now you can see the next one is given here is E harmonic minor scale. So for E harmonic minor scale is a relative of G major, we know, right? So now what is the key signature for this? We know it is F sharp, and this is the bass clef. So now check the F is there is green burst rise fast. So we go here with the key signature first, and then we mark our scale. Okay, so this is bass clef. We start E from here. So we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now this is the note we have made it for the natural minor scale. Now we have to make it harmonic. So what do we have to do? We remember that from natural to harmonic we have to just raise the 7th degree. So raise the 7th degree, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th degree. This is the 7th degree, and we raise it by a semitone. That makes a sharp. So this become our E harmonic minor scale. Okay, now the next one is D harmonic minor scale. Now we'll make D is a relative of F major, so we need B flat in this one. So this is green bus. So this is the key signature, right? Now let's make the scale from D. We start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, now as we go this, so this is like your natural minor scale. To make it harmonic, again we have to raise the 7th degree. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we raise it by a semitone. That makes sharp, and this become a D harmonic minor scale. Okay, next is E natural minor scale. This is simple. First we have to put the key signature, that is F sharp, and then we make our scale 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, and this is our natural scale. So next is D natural minor scale. So for this is treble clef. So we find the B, every green burst, right? And D is this one. We start from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. And we don't have to put any accidental because it's a natural minor scale. Okay, so I hope you like this chapter. Now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.